Hello children, myself Sangeeta Jadhav from Gokhale Education Society, GDC Bitco English Medium High School, Nasik Road. Student, we have finished lesson number 18, that was Wits in the Garden from Unit 3. From Unit 3, we will start now the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Be a Good Host and Guest. It is an activity. There is no homework for you, only you have to listen how you attend your guest and your host. Children, you all enjoy giving parties. You also give your birthday party. Then some family members come to your house. That time also you are having some party. So, when you are giving party, what are some important instruction you should keep in your mind while giving the party and when you attend the guest also? The lesson is very easy, so please be attentive. Now, we will start a lesson. We all love to get together with our friend and have fun. We like our favorite dishes even better when we share them with our friends. In short, we all love party. Means that we all like to give parties. Sometimes we give dabba parties. When your school gets over in summer vacation, you also give a party to your friends. So all love to give a party. You may have attended parties, or sometimes you also attend the parties, and you may even have given some parties. What do you think makes a good party? What are the ideas of yours of giving party? It's very expensive. Giving party is very expensive. Wearing fancy cloth, doing costly decoration, giving rich food, or such other things may make a party look glamorous. But is that enough or even necessary to make people happy? A good party is there when the host and the guest can both enjoy. So, a good party is where the host and the guest can both enjoy themselves and be happy. It should become a pleasant memory in the minds of all. So, let us see what we can do to make sure that a party becomes memorable in a good way. So, listen carefully which are the things to remember when you give the party. If you are the host, that means if you want to give the party, you are the host. These are the things that you should remember to do. First of all, consult your family members first and see whether they like the idea. They will help you to choose a suitable time, date, place, and menu. So, if you want to give the party, you have to consult your family member, that means your father, mother, your grandpa, grandmother, or something, the family members, and give your idea to them. Then they will help you to choose the menu, then the time, then the date, and the place where you want to give the party. Secondly, make a list of the people if you wish to invite to the party. Second thing, that make a list of the invitations of if you want, how many members you want to give the invitation. Invitation should send in advance. So, if your party is on Wednesday, you have to give the invitation 2 days before. You may extend an invitation orally or you may send a written invitation. Make sure that your invitation includes all the necessary information. When you are giving the invitation, in that invitation you have to make sure that proper time should be written, date should be properly written, the place where the party is held, that it should be properly written. Then choose a menu that your guest will enjoy. A good host should consider your guest preference first. So, whatever menu you are giving should be properly decided so that the guest should enjoy whatever you are giving the food. Don't add the unnecessary food which are not liked by your guest. Chalk out the program well. Do you want any decoration? How will they be done properly? Once you have planned about details, you can work out how the various tasks can be done. Who will help you to do each of them? Divide the work in the family members when you are giving the party so that the work will be enjoyable and the party will be a memorable party. On the day of the party, when you are giving the party on that day, which are the things to remember? You must be ready before the guest. Don't be ready on the spot. At least 1 hour you should be ready when your party is held. Your decoration, food preparation should be ready before the people arrive. Then you must greet all your guests when they arrive. That means we should greet, means you say hello them when the guests arrive. If you don't know one another, you must introduce them. Means if you don't know that guest, you introduce by yourself and introduce both of them. Then you should see that your guests are comfortable and happy. When you are giving the party, the guests should not feel uncomfortable. You should serve the food politely, making sure that everyone is served what they want. If you are holding a party games, make sure that everyone gets a chance to participate and enjoy. You should not keep playing with some friends and ignore others. Some children, what they do when they are giving the party, they enjoy with their friends only. If new friends comes, they don't play with them. They just ignore them. So don't do like this. You should take them also and enjoy playing games. When it is time for the guests to leave, you should say goodbye and say thank you for them of coming and making the party memorable. Most important of all, when all the guest goes, you should help your people of family members to clean up the house. This is very important. Then, my dear children, sometimes you are also guest. That time what you have to do? If you are guest, here are some tips for you. Page number 50. Please acknowledge that you have received the invitation and let your host know whether or not you will attend the party. If you are choosing the present for your host, think well about what he or she will like. A thoughtful gift is appreciated more than an expensive one. Remember to remove the price tag or label from the gift. It is not polite to let your host know how much you have spent on the gift. Wrap the gift well and if possible, decorate the wrapping yourself. On the day of the party, what you have to do? Be punctual, reach in time for the party. Second, if there is any work to be done, offer to help. Third, be friendly with other guests also. Take part in the program and the game. Appreciate the food and decoration honestly. Don't waste food. Take only as much as you want. Don't waste the food, take only as much as you want. When it is time for you to leave, approach your host and say goodbye. Later on, let your host know, either personally or in writing, how much you enjoyed the party. That means on second day, you may ring up to your host that you have enjoyed the party. It was remarkable party. It was a memorable party, and say thank you for him. My dear children, we have just finished the lesson. It was an activity. So for your homework, write page number 50. Page number 50. If you are a guest, here are some tips for you. Write first block, second block, and on the day of the party, third block. One time in the homework book. Write in a good handwriting. It will help you to improve handwriting also in the form of dictation. And read the lesson 3 times. Thank you.